Alright, so hey, I understand you're feeling a little under the weather, so naturally I decided to write a little something for you. Hopefully it'll cheer you up, make you feel a little bit better. It's called Get Better Soon.